YP baro shiki tu kubo jingi menta ka chanmet shopping ni poi shiki kubo ki bebnya ngine pet ikimat ki bakongsan in kintiyo ka sarkar ki tin la jong hagajing thum kam hakitna sarkar ong menteri rangba ka jilla ba ka thong kalong manpin bha ya gajing ajing shakri ki patba ka CM connect kalong karinsan banyo jing tip shapham ki scheme patban pen pau yi jing e kintu menteri rangba ya ki patba ban phone ha number ka kandai spa nyo puwe ban tip shapham ki scheme limi ban bo ya ki jing ujor wanra ka sarkar ya ki lat ai kam ai jam lingba ka skill program ba ka program baiting ka hado menta kumbalai lak 100,000 ngun kila yo kam ha ka binta ba phe ong menteri rangba ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma in penrung kam thumai ka sarkar jilla sa kumbalai hajar nu ki samla ha ka tanat pulet pan pendam ya ka jingduna ki pulet ha ka leng ki jaka ha ka jilla bad Pinlong jingya kren umenteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi bad umenteri rangba ke Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu layasoy ya shibun ki sos kolar ban pinklan ya ka jingya day padang kini ki ari Mintang ini pash ki kubo na kaleng ka jala Umenteri rangba ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma mentagasngi ula pentip hakmat ka yin dorbar thau ain ka jilla ba ka sarkar jilla ka thrang pan kintiu ya ki jing shampang ha ka kten la jong ha ka jing thungkam ha ki tana sarkar khnang ba ket pin bha ya ka jing a jing shakri shaki pat ba ban pinne pinsa ya ka jing long ba ka pang jong ka kten la jong ha ka jilla haba jubab ha ka kenta jingkili umenteri rangba ka jilla ula ong ba ki don ka to ka ni Tili ki kerdan ha ki kam sarkar ki badan kam ya ki jingnang jingtip ya ka ktin la jong khnang bakin la ban yai smutho khambha ya ki jingdan kam ki patba kham hashwa ha ka babu jingkili halor kene kamat u MLA ka rajabala u Dr Mizanur Rahman Kazi ula ai ya ka jingyero ya ka jing pershang jong ka sarkar Henry ula pin pau pat ya ka jing songkhya halor ka jing e pan pintre kam ha ki to katne ki binta West Karo Hills Nakalyang ukonrat ula pintikna bagasorka kansa khmi binya halor kene kaman barkan yai peteng bantre nakabinta ban kintiu bat yada yikiktin la jong hakaleng kajilla
As a matter of fact the youths of that area is losing on jobs and unemployment is heavily rising in that area so may I through you request the Honorable Chief Minister sir to kindly provide adequate infrastructure for the local language proficiency in that area, number one. And number two, to kindly allow that much time frame for those youths to gain that local language proficiency and to allow that much time so that they may be able to compete in the government sector.
So number one, the associate official languages of Meghalaya, which is KHASI and Garo, is something that this government is committed to ensure that we are able to promote it and we're able to ensure that it is used as much as possible, and we want to ensure that every citizen of the state must learn KHASI and Garo. So it is with this objective in mind, the objective that is purely born out of the fact that we are very, very proud of our mother tongue and that we want to promote it. So with that objective, sir, we have come out with the program and rather the policy where we have made language proficiency in Garo Hills is Garo and in KHASI Jayant Hills KHASI, that individuals applying in DSC post must have knowledge of the local language.
Umenteri rangba kajilla ukonrat ke sangma mentagasngi ula pentip hakmat ke yendor ba thau ain kajilla ba sarkar jilla kala ple ke rinsan na ka binta ki patba ya ka bala tip kum ka CM connect limba ka CM connect ki patba kilala ban pin pau ye jing e jing ki nong yo min toy na ka scheme sarkar hakaleng ka jilla haba jubab halor ka jingkali balapo da ka MLA ka NPP na East Shillong ka Dr. Ampirin Lingdo umintri rangba ka jilla ulo ong ba ki patba kila ban phone ha u number ka khandai spa nyo phuwe banyo jingtep shaphang ki scheme sarkar lane banbu kinu ki jing ujor halor ka jing slam lane ka jing e ban pin poi ya ki application ukonrat ula banjuru baka CM connect kalong karin san bakarpang bala pinmi khnang na ka benta ki patba hakaba ula kintu ki patba ban pinan kam ya u helpline number ka khandai spa nyo phuwe banwengi ki jing e hakaba ya dei ba kinu ki kam na ka tanat sarkar lane kinu ki scheme.
There is a very, I should say, common program which we call CM Connect. So 1971 is the number, and when you call this number, you can, number one, get any information that you require about any schemes. Number two, if your application has not been processed, as soon as you call up 1971 and you put in your ticket and the complaint that is there, that complaint then goes to a joint secretary level officer or an under secretary level officer of that department. There is one nodal officer in every department. The entire chart of every complaint that comes in, a dashboard is reflected in my office, and we follow up every flag, every office, every complaint that is there. If your project has, the scheme you applied has not been processed, or you're having problems, that particular officer will, and if it goes beyond 10 days, beyond 15 days, the reply has not been done, then a red flag comes in, which is then again visible by my office and by me. So this is the most effective redressal forum, sir. Very simple, just 1971, and you can actually give in all the details, and the concerned people will resolve the problem, and if there's more further information required, somebody will in fact even call you to ask you for more details. So 1971 is the forum, and you just have to log in your complaint, and all the details are done, sir.
Umintri rangba kajila ukonrat ke sangma mentagasngi ula pintip hakmat ke yendor ba thauan kajila baka sarkar jila kala pintre kam da ka policy ba pher benweng ya ka jingkudu kam hapo kajila kintup ya ka skill development ka jingkintiu ki nong seng kam la jong ba ki scheme ai jingera pisa ba pher Menteri rangba ula ong ba ka jingpinmi ya ka program kum ka focus plus ka CM elevate ka skill MEGHALAYA bak shipon ki wei pat ki program ai jingerap na ka benta ki nong rep kalong ban play ya ki ai lat ai kam ai jam ukonrat ula ong bada ka jingerap jong sarkar kum ba lai lak hundred hajar ngun ki breu kila yo kam ha ka benta ba pher ula ong ba ka sarkar kanai beteng ban nang tre shitom ban pinmi shushu kum kini ki program khnang bakan weng ya ka jingkado kam ha ka jilla ha kini ki snam ki ban sawan.
So therefore, sir, numbers, of course, surveys are done, but these are always surveys that are done at the basis of the kind of sample size that they collect. So it can differ, sir. That's number one. Number two, so the programs that we have had, and of course, as per the RBI norms, so we have mentioned in the last few days, I have mentioned to the House, that approximately 3.6 lakh job opportunities have been created because of the interventions that we made. Maybe the numbers could have been higher if we had not started these programs. Have these programs achieved the full goal that we would want? Maybe not, sir. Does more need to be done? Maybe yes, sir. So it's a process we are following, but we are very sure that we are on the right track. We are very sure that the work that we're doing is having an impact. As I mentioned, sir, about 3.66 lakh job opportunities have been created in the past. And also, sir, we also have to note that the population in Meghalaya is very much a young population. So compared to most of the other states in the country, and looking at the national average also, Meghalaya is much younger than the rest of the country. We have 50% of our population which is below the age of 20. So that's a large number, so about 18 lakh youths are there in that number. So these kind of multiple challenges are there. I'm not giving an excuse, of course, but realizing these challenges.
Usimbut Mintri Rangba Kajila Uba Preston Tinsong Ula Pintip Hakmat Kayen Dorba Tau Ain Kajila Bakasoka kan Satap Kambiang Sakumbalai Hajar Ngut Kisamla Hakatanat Pulit Knam Bakan Weng Ya Kajing Duna Kinong Tre Hakitanat Pulit Jong Kajila Ulo Ong Bagajing Pin Kre Ban Pin Rungkam Kaladab Bat Shen Inspin Mino Ya Karisol Watla Ulo Ong Ba Kidon Kumbashi Hajar Tili Kikerdan Kibala Tili Na Kajing Shong Tat No Bat Kiwe Kidao Kasoka kalap pintikna bakasoka kan pelong ya kajing pin tapkam tumai baman la kapor knang bakan pin khalanya kabor pulit hakaleng kijaka hakajilla.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, from now on we have only taken a decision that when we give sanction for creation of new police station or police outposts, the department will make sure that these newly created police station, police outposts, it should be also along with the manpower. The sanction should also come in the form of manpower, not necessarily only creation of police station or police outposts. So, sir, I am sure now on, once this policy is in place, I don't see that we will have much shortage of manpower as far as police department is concerned, because as I've said to you, when we create police station, police outposts, we will also make sure that sanction of post is together accorded, sir.
Umintri Rangba Kajila Ula Pintip Hakayeng Dorbar Tau Ain Kajila Baka Expert Committee Kala Ai Jimut Ban Pinne Yak MEGHALAYA Reservation Policy Kakandai Spa Nyo Puar Hadian Bala Bishar Banya Katkum Ka Ain Bat Pinchong Nong Rim Halo Kajinglong Jingman Boro Ula Ong Balada Wanra Ikinu Kinu Kajingpin Kala Habban Yad Shwalim Ba Kayeng Bishar Henry Nakaliang Kasoka Ka Ailat Yakabakwa Ban Ai Jimut Shusho Umintri Rangba Kajila Ula Banjur Baya Kajing Yaitili Bari Kajing Kyo Hakayo Kakon Kalongkum Ushabi Banweng Ya Kajing Kerdo Kam Hakajila.
The committee has recommended to the government the formation of an expert committee to review the state reservation policy. So the government notified that an expert committee will be formed to review the state reservation policy, which shall consist of experts in constitutional law, economics, sociology, demographic studies. In view of the above, a search committee headed by Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya was constituted. On the recommendations of the search committee, the expert committee on the state reservation policy Meghalaya was constituted on the 12th of September 2023. So the terms of reference of the committee were: 1, to study the current reservation policy and recommend modifications if necessary; 2, to undertake wide-ranging consultation with all stakeholders and visit various locations of the state to solicit the views of all stakeholders. The committee has been given time frame of 12 months with effect the date of issue of notification to complete its task and to submit its report, recommendation, suggestions to the state government.
Uhe kaseng UDP ubalong umintri katana boarding uba metba lingdo mentagasngi ula shabu jingkili hala upara dukot nakaseng uba polingdo hagayeng dorbar thau ain gejila nakabaong bakayeng kalong banyaitai yakiman kibakta yakipatba nakaliang uba metba ubadi upresiden kaseng UDP uloong bakaseng kansashong jingelang banshim yakarai lakanya kun haka election jongka GHADC.
As such, in fact, from and I am very, very open. I'm a very open and very positive person, always in life. I've been able to be like this is because of my positiveness in life. And whatever we discuss inside the house, that contributes to the welfare of the people of the state. I have to always consider, like, I should not consider the other way around, like what other perceive or what other things like that. So I mentioned today also the floor of the house that all the issues, points noted down addressed by all the concerned members is being taken note of. So we will take. So now we're too busy with this. So post session on sometime next week, maybe before that, then we will try to.
But you will be surely putting up.
That's what I'm saying. We'll meet first and then we will take a decision.
Kinong Kershan jo UMDC badang bat yakakam u albinush armarang kila yang presha yakaseng National People's Party kabala kentat pan ai tiket u hagani ke election kaban salongshen da kabakno bakam don ka jingkho jingsuba haba shim yakarai habaya lom lang hakaying sa kajong u hanon gal bibra South Garo Hills bone kinong Kershan kila penpena bakin ino kam nakaseng batrai ban Kershan u kum ukirton shimet na siju constituency kiloong bagani karai kalong kajing bamburom ya kinong tre kiba nakashnong bat ong bakin yai peteng banyai khun kinong shong shnong ka cleariat west kila penpau ya kajing sokhya halo kajing pe jongki pai pintu jaklia bat kajing sniu jongki nala ha civil hospital cleariat kabalawan ra ya kajing sma yutung ya ki jaka ki badan marjan bat kene ko hospital hadin bala ujo da ka jantia National Council la pelong ya kajing le jurip lang ban lab ya kajing shisha district medical but health officer ula pentikna ba insa maramot no mardor hakaba na kaliang kibor shnong kila maham bakan sebudin halor kene kakam bakan sa ujor sha ki bakam halor lada penslam bentre ya kakam palat lais pa ngut ki samla wat kam wat jam kila wan benshim benta ha ka program tap kam ka bapelong da ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society ha GCIITS Training Center Makarwan kani ka program ka thumu ben pinyaso ki samla wat kam ha ki jaka ajing hikai paper bat kila yo kam yo jam hapo kejila bat chabar kejila District Deputy Commissioner Uba B Maulong ula wan benshim benta kani ka program bat ula kintu yaki samla benshim yakani ka kabu ban kintiu yakasam bat kilat yo kam yo jam
Ikna samla benta ki kam ki jam ki bon hagi por gine khna mangi por gine puli mangi por gine wat kam ngam i bendan ki opportunity haduk ani ki kabu share haduk ani kuma pheyo benta Dreamenta da kami kini ke MSSDS, dak ya dulu pa kini ki lat kelenti channel kin pa ki kena kamu ke channel kelenti je punya kamlong rumah su kamnya rumah su ya lem jatura. Dreamenta ke MSSDS kalau awan jenis sepi, lawan ban batai kini kan set up kini ki registration counter, lawan ki counselor ban council pi.
Ko-office kam jong ka medical superintendent Jowai Civil Hospital haringkat kajingi trailang bako office jongka District Disaster Management Authority Jowai henin kesengi kala pelong ya ke program disaster management training baka mock drill ha Jowai Civil Hospital ban ajing hikai balong ki bapin kre khamtam ha ki por ki bakir ke ki he na katanat pelipding ki pulit ba kitanat ka koit ka khia kila ajing hikai ki nong tray ko hospital kuno banyada nakading bat banwat ban pelat im bat ban sumari ki ba minsaw ya gani ka program la pin kut da ka jing pin I kabala pin wandur kum ha ka por khnu jumai ha ka bala pin I ya ki rukom pin kinria ya ki ba min saw bat ki rukom yara bakir ke ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society minta ka singi kala pelong ya ki program tap kam Hadon Bosco Tech Nongstoin kabatmu ban ay jing hikai hakisap baper ban kilat yo kam na kabenta ki samla hapo kiri bat shabari Skill Development Officer ka MSSDS uba kham pinjanai khar maulong ulaong ba injet ikisamla kibala biang nagbenta ki kam shabari hakaba injet ya kitu kibala pendep ya ki skill training shushu ula pinslur ya ki samla wat kam banishim binta hakane ka program ban kinte ki sam bat kilat yo kam hakaleng ka perthai
Temu eka bakmasan jungi bangi pelang kan dikaru recruitment drive kolong ba ngan a kirin salan dikilat kilinti dan bagi khon sama jungi kham tam eki bawat kilat ki kabu bakin yo ki kam ki jam bebet babiang bantre nagam ta jongki te ka bangi don mata smi kam da e tang hapo jong ka ri India ka jongi ringi don ru ki overseas placement ki bangi don ki jing tumu bingin pa ikhna sabar jong ka ri India tikani ka singi kalong ka singi bangi screen la nengi scrutinize ki khna ki ba bit ki ba piang kham tam bingin pa ki placement sabar jong ka ri India hakaba ya mentang nakaliang jong ki recruitment agencies ki ala di ikut ke office bingin le ka preliminary interview but adien jong kata nakaliang jong kini ki recruitment agencies kin sawan ban le seka round ka ba kin sabut hadien
Kawai kakali bolero kabadon yu registration number ML05Z North Sun Iway Sun kalak kemding kinsan hajan ka Civil Hospital Shillong hakapo ka ash teng AA hinne ka no paisngi karba kadang yat unongnya kakali ula yu I ya ka tedam na ki engine bat ula pinsange ya kakali haswa bakan kemding ki pulit pilip ding kila poi but syakane ka jaka bat kila la ban pilip ya ka ding haswa bakan pur Hagane ke jingja shim la don ki ba minsaw wala kakali kala julor bon. Kala don ke jing plo ding ke bashir kay hinne ke step sinya hakapo shi beje hakashnong su kilo ha is jantia hills kabala pinjulo lot yakiwe kidukan bat kayeng Barkala ingkong lun ki jing don jing em ki pulit pilip ding kila hair wood syagane ka jaka bat kila yakun bat daki babon kinta ban pilip ya kading hagane ka jingja shim la don kinu ki ba mensaw hinre ka jing du nong la antat ba kalong daki lap tingka ki try jong kedukan kila kerpat ya ki bor badai pet ban a jing yarap lem namar ba kadai tang kane kedukan ka ba besar ya ka yeng ka sem ka jongka
Ibru yo dagari yo kita sarap te kersu ginga man kersu ginga tong ki khai pa de implo te ngar ya te bo chi khai na bo chi knit tu yo sket ba ka dinyong te da tip sap de tang plan le terus ong pichi batar cilak prapaun ro kete ka chu ka siang tiba pin dai dukan de ketiar te bun banong emkan em de ban ki so tai ben dang yo ura men yo sna de da ba wari ka ding ya pelat pi peran nek nong yap ya kan mas nau si pi kan la kam nu le pi ada de udap te so hun bai kan nong to kam nu le na
Kibor penyat distrik karib hoi kila pilong ya kejing yalang bat kanong penyat skul haswa ban pintre kam ya ka A PPS Tumai ban ajing hikai ya ki samla puli ki bakwa banyo ya ka kam sarkar limbaga ni ka program bala ayo jingkershan na ka NITI ayok In sapilong ya ka online class ha ka ba ki samla puli kila banya merging mun bar kino hikai but in sa sam eru ya ki kot puli sha ki samla ki bala pendap ya ka class 12 habaya kren bikila pathai khubo deputy commissioner karib hoi u Abilash Baranwal ula ong bakania ka program kalong ker pangna ka binta ki samla ki bana rib hoi district bala pendap ya ka class 12 ula kintu ki samla bakin register kerteng ilade bakin shim ya ka kabu na kane ka program bat pinkre ilade banya khun ya ki examine kam bapher
This app is going to have two features which will be relevant for Ribhoi. One will be basically for the students of class 9 to 12 where they can access help from any teacher on the app 24/7. And simultaneously the other feature will be regarding the youths who are preparing for government examination. So today was a demonstration by the people from Philo EdTech for the principals and headmasters. I'm sure that they were very impressed with what they saw. And the idea is that we want all of the children to be onboarded onto this app. This will be completely free of cost for them. And to take advantage of this, they can access AI to answer their queries. They can use the recorded lessons which are already present over there for every chapter, for every topic. They can also access doubt resolution within 30 to 40 seconds by any teacher which are already onboarded on their platform.
Mintang ini payash ki kubor na kaleng kaperthai. Menteri Rangba Do kari Narendra Modi ulak pelong ya kejing keren bot Menteri Rangba Do ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ha kejing le jungo jung u ya keri Israel kabala pen scam biang ya kejing dei hapadeng kini ki ari lai soi bon tili ki dor khas ha kejing don lang ki boro arngut kinong yalam ban pin khlan ya kejing trailang ki binta ki konsan barkentop ya ki teknologi ki jingsham bathumai kapuli puthi bakakhai pateng ha kajo kapor umudi ulaya kendo ru ya president ke Israel u Isaac Herzog umudi ula ong bakane ka jingye trailang kan thau ya kilat kilinti ki bathumai nak benta ki samla ban pinyar ya ki jingye trailang hapadeng kari India Middle East but Europe haki khai pateng mudi ula ong bakalong ka basngo shon min sim ban poi biang shari Israel hadin knaisnam
इजराइल के कंस्ट्रक्शन और केयर गिवर सेक्टर्स में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है भारतीय कामगारों ने अपनी मेहनत प्रतिबद्धता और कौशल से विश्वास अर्जित किया है मुझे खुशी है कि इस सहयोग का विस्तार कॉमर्स और सर्विसेज जैसे क्षेत्रों में भी किया जा रहा है दोनों देशों के युवाओं रिसर्चर्स और इनोवेटर्स को जोड़ना हमारी मुख्य प्राथमिकता रही है इस दिशा में आज हम इंडिया इजराइल एकेडमिक फोरम की स्थापना कर रहे हैं
Mintang ini payash ki kubor ilakai Hakasin jam ban pinkhlain bat ban pintbin ya kasap ilakai cricket ribhoy kinong yalam kathan kila thau ya ka Central Ribhoy Cricket Association hakabala thong ya uba don kupar sumer kum u president bat uba Rocky Marwen kum u vice president haba aijing krench kila pathai khubor uba sumer ula ong bakaseng katmu bankar shani ki samla badon sam hagajing ilakai cricket ki baju ilakai dakabol tennis ban pinden kamno dakabol deuce Namar kalong kabakonsan kamtam hakajing yakun kabakam shalor shushu ula pinshai bakane ka seng bathumai kanyarap ban pinbha bat yatre lang ban bujli ya ka seng kabala don lupa ka CRCA kan sedang ya ka limpung ila kai cricket haka district kaban sedang haka apoi tere uliber haka ba enyala kai tang diki ball deuce
Nila form ni kani ka Central Ribhoy Cricket Association. Kajili ko lang balingi form ni kani ka Central Cricket Association kalong ba ni ba kini than ni di samla gi babon ma di simbanta ki tolmen ma fer fer panyat ki club di balang babon ma ki babon ma kile da kani ka tennis board. Ni ba ni ku ki dong song sinong ni player ki barim babon ni ni don ko ki kompar khat ko jongi kalong ba Larang ni anak di semula aku ni berkilat katang ke baseball ni iba kanamban ke future ni. Jadi kadang ni suatu apa? Oh ni mau berkriket baseball ke sini, ke biang ni. Ada yang bangin orang dan ikai yang ada ke platform ya ke professional cricket, ke belum ke deuce ball. Dia harga jingin ni tibut ni nampak ni syong peram ni hari habang ni ya welang ni pelak apa ni syong kan penting. Na fix ke support ni. Macam bagarai bangin ada kampan form no the Cricket Association.
Kakinshi Bangla Social and Cultural Sports Club kalapin kutno ekalimpong ilakai Kinshi Bangla Knockout Football Tournament arjar apun rio kabatmu ban kinti kajing ilakai football bat ben pinchlori ki samla badon sab hakathain hagjing yakun final kabala pilong hamadan Kinshi Bangla Mautha Raishan Blong ka Shongshnong SC kalapin lim ya ka PSM SC da ar lanon balayora ya ka namla do UMDC kmautha Russian uba Powell Soklen ulawan banishin binta hakane kisngi pinha perda kum ukongsan haringkat kinongelam shnong bat kiriu it football Deminta pat ngini pet ya kijinglong jingman kasun beneng hakeleng kibinta kajang kejela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius, ba kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngem kahau-hau kalong sapusan na kashispa. Haba pai pat hakanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 10 degree Celsius, ba kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngem kahau-hau kalong 100% na kashispa. Katba hajuai kajing kriat kalong 10 degree Celsius, ba kajing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing sngem kahau-hau kalong 100% na kashispa. Kasun beneng kandum loo hakatu katni kijaka hatura shlong bacuai. Shopping ni poi syakabakut jengki tuk kuboy ngini pet biang sasisi ni kimat kibakongsan. Inkintiu kasolka yak tin na jong hakajing tungkam hakitanat solka ong umudri rang ba kejela ba katong kalong kaban pin bha yakajing ay jing syakri yakipat ba. KCM koneng kalong karinsan banyo jing tip syapang ka scheme bat ban pin pau yi jing e kintu umintri rang ba yaki pat ba ban phone ho number ka kandai spa nyo puwe ban tip syapang ki scheme le ni ban bo yi jing ujor Wanra ka sarkar yakilat aikam aijam limba ka skill program bat ka program baiting ka hado minta kumbalai lak hindre punreu hajar no kilayo kam hagi benta bapher ong umintri rang ba ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma In penrung kam thumai ka sarkar jilla sa kumbalai hajar no kisamla hakatanat pulit ban pendap ikijing duna ki pulit keleng ki jaka haka jilla But belong jing ekren umintri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi but umintri rang ba ki Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu laya soy ya shibun ki soskular ban pin khalan ya ka jing ya dai hapadeng kini ki ari Te parlo ka tu ngilai poi syakabukut jong ka thuk khubor menta ka janmid hado bangini shem biang bat phi la shai kisngi khublei phi baro